It's Wednesday, February 21st, and according to my What Is Today calendar, it is National Sticky Bun Day. So if you had a sticky bun for breakfast, good for you. You're right on trend. It's awesome. All right, so I ordered just for fun and for spring and for anybody who needs an amazing baby blanket. I have knit one of the Knitted Wit's baby blanket suggestions before, and their colorways are awesome. I have ordered kits. I have 4 kits for the Bounce blanket. Now, the Bounce blanket is a pattern by Tin Can Knits, and it's different colors with shows a solid, but with one main color and then lots of minis. So this is the Bounce blanket. The pattern is $6, and you can buy it from us. But the Knitted Wit has put together this colorway. So this multi is the main color, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 8 minis. 8 minis. So purple and charcoal and bright yellow and turquoise and blue and orange and gray and pink. So how fun is that? One and done. You get the packet, you get the pattern, and you just have fun knitting this wonderful Bounce blanket. They call it Ooh Baby. Ooh Baby Baby. So the kit is $140. And the DK, the Knitted Wit, there's 280 yards on this, and I believe there's, I'm not 100% sure, there's 20 grams on each one of the small ones. So plenty to knit your blanket. I think it'll be like 27 by 33, I think is what it'll be, which is great for a car seat or a stroller, all of the above. Love, love, love the Knitted Wit. This is in DK, so it'll be a lot faster than fingering. So that's my big new thing for today. You got a baby blanket on your list of things to do? I have got you covered, right? All right. Big crowd out there tonight. It's Wednesday. It's always good to have the Wednesday night group here, chatting and knitting and crocheting and finding something to do. All good, all good. Do I have anything else to tell you? I'm kind of short and sweet these days. Not tons. I don't think I have anything urgent, but other than to tell you to have a lovely evening and check in with us tomorrow on Thursday. And we'll be here, and I'll be here telling you about something else that's either new or some upcoming event. What do you know? All right. Have a great evening.